In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate EverWebinar with Teachable, step by step, so you can start automating your webinar funnels and increase your sales. If you're using Teachable and EverWebinar together, you're in for a treat because this integration makes everything run smoothly. Stick around until the end, and I'll also let you know how you can access EverWebinar completely for free through an exclusive link with bonuses, so make sure to watch the entire video. First things first, let's get EverWebinar set up with Teachable. The good news is that it's a simple process that doesn't require any coding knowledge. Once you have both accounts ready, head over to EverWebinar and click on the Integrations tab in your settings. From there, find Teachable in the list and select it. This is where the magic begins. Next, you'll need to authorize the connection between EverWebinar and Teachable. Just click on the Connect button and EverWebinar will ask you to log into your Teachable account. Make sure you have your Teachable login credentials ready, as this will allow EverWebinar to pull your courses into the system. Once connected, you'll be able to select the course you want to promote during your webinar. The next step is configuring your webinar settings. Inside EverWebinar, you'll set up the details of your automated webinar, such as the title, the schedule, and the content you want to display. When you're creating your webinar, be sure to link the appropriate Teachable course so that viewers can easily access the course once they sign up. This creates a seamless experience for your audience, and they'll be directed to your course after the webinar is finished. The fourth thing you need to do is create a landing page in EverWebinar that includes a sign-up form for your webinar. EverWebinar will automatically sync the sign-up page with your Teachable course, meaning when someone registers, they're not just signing up for the webinar, but also getting access to the content you're offering through Teachable. It's a great way to ensure that those leads convert into students. Finally, when everything is set up, don't forget to test the integration before going live. This ensures that everything flows smoothly from EverWebinar to Teachable. Test the registration, the course delivery, and any emails or follow-ups you've set up. It's important to check that your leads are getting the right access to your Teachable courses after attending your webinar. And remember, if you want to use EverWebinar and access some exclusive bonuses, click the first link below to start your free trial. This extended free trial will help you get started with ease, and you won't want to miss out on the extras we're offering. That's it. Now you know exactly how to integrate EverWebinar with Teachable. With this setup, you're all set to automate your webinars and course promotions. Don't forget to grab your free trial using the link below and start scaling your course business today.